everybody, so what I'm about to do is change out this tire. It really doesn't need to be changed right now. As you see, I still have some meat, but I mean, I would rather change it now and save this for later in case I need like an emergency tire. But when you compare that to this one, oh man, oh yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, and I went on ahead and changed out the bearings. So the ones they give you, like from Go Power Sports, they come with a 12 millimeter, okay, then 32 by 10. But they said, you know, they don't change it out, and there's none out there. But I ended up finding some that does have an inner or outer diameter of 32, but with a 15. So I got a 15 millimeter shaft. Okay, and on the trailer that I built, you guys want to check out that video. The trailer that I built, those are sitting on some 16s. So you can get some 16s that fit in here, just to let you guys know. So right now this is 15 millimeter, but you can put a 16 millimeter inside diameter, 32 outside, and 9 or 10 diameter as far as how width it is, the width. So just keep that in mind. Put a bigger shaft is much better. Or what I meant to say, a bigger inside diameter bearing, so you can put a bigger shaft, bigger than 12, you know. What is going on, everybody? Listen to these harmonics. Woo! Ooh, those bearings. Quiet and smooth. Voila! Placow. So yeah, this tire's still good, man. So I'm gonna just set it to the side along with the other ones, and if in an emergency I need one, buy out. Okay, I got that girl on there. Boom. I had to go to the tire shop for them to set that bead on the rim because it just didn't have enough air pressure. I never had to do this any other time, but that's what I had to do this time. Luckily, they was about to close in about 15 minutes. I was lucked up, so I'll go ahead and take this bike to work tomorrow, and bam, that's it.